So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to crop images here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I'm just going to go ahead and for this demonstration, go to Photos right here and add a photo of the beach. Wonderful, beautiful photo right here. Now, if you want to crop it, the simplest way is to press on the photo right here, go to the little crop icon right here, and you can go ahead and crop this to whatever way you're looking for. So if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can go ahead and do that, whatever the case may be. So for example, if you just wanted to get this option right here, you can press on done, then all of a sudden your image is cropped just the way you were looking to do it. So very simple, very straightforward. Once again, press on it, go to crop right here, and you can go ahead and play around that way. Very simple, very straightforward, and I hope this video helps.